Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
Swiss exports of gold to China fell in August from July's high, while shipments to Turkey rose to their highest since June 2013, Swiss customs data showed. US stock indexes were set to open higher ahead of a widely expected hefty rate hike from the Federal Reserve, with investors awaiting cues on the length and depth of further policy tightening to tame surging price pressures. Nasdaq is making its first major push into crypto as the second largest stock exchange prepares to capitalize on increasing appetite for digital currencies among big money investors. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the pound drop 0.9% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The UK's GFK Consumer Confidence will be released at 23:01 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 0645 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.